Everyone out there, myself Advani Muskan, and today in this lecture I am going to explain you about subject, verb and agreement. The topics that I want to cover in this are what is actually subject and verb in the sentence, what actually subject verb agreement means, and few basic rules. So let's move ahead. Subject means the main thing which is talked about in the sentence is called subject, and verb means whatever subject is doing, that is called verb. For example, basketball rolls across the floor. So in this sentence, basketball is a subject and rolls is a verb, because basketball is doing rolling. That's why it is said that rolls is a verb over there and basketball is a subject, because it is the main thing which is talked about in the sentence. Now let's come to the subject and verb agreement. Now as the word itself says, that agreement means that when we are agreeing with a thing. So same thing is there. To make the sentence grammatically correct, subject should agree with the verb in number. For example, basketball roll across the floor means basketball here is a singular subject and rolls is a singular verb. In another sentence, basketballs roll across the floor. Basketballs, now it becomes plural subject and we have used the plural form of the verb. Now here most of the students get confused over here. When we were learning plural and singular, we were using S form in the plural sentence, in the plural word. For example, if I said chalk, that plural form will be chalks, because these were nouns. But when it comes to the verb, it becomes totally opposite. In singular verbs, we use S form, and in plural, we use the verb as it is. Means the main rule of this subject verb agreement is that if the singular subject is there, then we have to use a singular verb, and if plural subject is there, we have to use the plural verb. Now few rules are there, like if singular subject is there and another singular subject is also there, means in a sentence if two singular subjects are there and they are joined with the letter and, then it becomes then we have to use the plural form of the verb. For example, gold and silver are precious metal. So in this sentence you can look, gold is a singular subject and silver is also a singular subject, but we have joined them with the letter and. So that's why we have used the word are, means we have used the plural form of the verb. Same thing, if singular subject and singular subject too, means if singular subject, two singular subjects are joined with or nor, then we have to use the singular form of the verb. For example, neither food nor water was found there. Means neither food. Here it is food is a singular and water is also singular, but they are joined now in the sentence with nor. So if they are joined with nor or also, then we have to use a plural form, singular form of the verb. That's why we have used here was. Now moving ahead in another rule, if singular subject and plural subject, means if one subject is singular and another subject is plural, so and they are joined with or या nor, so then we have to see that which subject is nearer to the verb. For example, neither the chairman nor the directors are present. Means in this sentence, the chairman is a singular subject, right? And the directors is a plural subject. So they are both joined with nor. So if they are joined with nor, so means we have to see which is nearer to the verb. Means directors is nearer to the verb. That's why we have used here the plural form of the verb. Now if in the sentence either, neither, each, everyone, many, these types of words are used in the sentence, then we have to use the singular form of the verb. Example, every one of the boys loves to ride a car. Means here everyone is written. Everyone is written. Means it is talked about, means एक एक के लिए ही बात की गई है, ना कि सबके लिए. That's why we have used here the singular form of the verb. Now that's all for now. If you have liked this video, you can hit the like button, and if you have any kind of suggestion, you can write in our comment section, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for further updates. Thank you and have a nice day.